Welcome to Mollik's EDUCARE Accounting 2. Basic Accounting. Basic accounting records and reveals cash flows and operations. It divides all business transactions into credits and debits. The definitions of these are somewhat counterintuitive in financial accounting. Debits increase assets or expenses accounts and decrease liability or equity accounts. Purpose of accounting: recording transactions, budgeting and planning, decision making, business performance, financial position, liquidity, financing, control. Functions of accounting: accounts payable and receivable, payroll and monitoring employee time offs, inventory cost management, cash collections and systematic record keeping, budgeting, reporting and financial statements, legal compliance and financial control. Thank you.